Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Aspirin Protect. Protect your heart. Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about Aspirin Protect, a medicine that helps you keep your heart healthy and strong. Aspirin Protect is mainly used to prevent heart problems like heart attacks or strokes. Have you been told you are at risk for these conditions, or have you had a heart attack in the past? Then this medicine might be a good option for you. And how does this wonder medicine work? Aspirin, in low doses, makes platelets, which are like little soldiers in your blood, less likely to clump together. This prevents clots from forming. Clots can block arteries and cause a heart attack or stroke. Imagine the traffic jam when there's an accident. Well, aspirin helps prevent those accidents in your arteries. Let's talk about the dose. Generally, you start with 100 milligrams a day, a small but powerful amount. The important thing is to always take it with a glass of water, and for it to work properly, take it at the same time every day. Although Aspirin Protect is a safe medicine, like any medicine, it can have some side effects. The most common are stomach discomfort, heartburn, or a slightly higher risk of bleeding. If you notice anything unusual, don't hesitate to talk to your doctor. And remember, if you are allergic to aspirin or have stomach ulcers, this medicine is not for you. In short, Aspirin Protect is a great tool to take care of your heart, but you should always use it under the supervision of your doctor. Follow their instructions carefully and do not change the dose on your own. I hope this information has been helpful. Take care of your heart and see you in the next video.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.